the second session, and Amir made some changes to the tire pressure. He took some rebound out of the rear of the tains to get the rear end to soften up a little bit. I think he wants to get the car to rotate a little bit more, and we're gonna see if he's got better than a 201.8. Here he comes. Our little phone timer gave us a 203.5. We think either the tires are going away or what, but one thing's for sure, it's not our driver, because on this last lap, we saw Amir pass a Cup car. Hopefully we got a little something in the next lap, but we're not sure. This one feels fast. Now he's just done a 201.60. That's incredible. We're knocking on the door of a 2-minute lap with a weekend warrior daily driver, which I think is amazing. .42. You can see how Amir's chipping away time, but they're not incremental gaps anymore. He's shaving, you know, tenths, hundredths off of it. I think that's the last lap of the session. That's it. Amir brought it in. Still happy. We did a 2-minute, 1-second lap, very close to the 1-minute 59 that we wanted. The worst part is, I think this means it's my turn to drive. So look out, everyone else on track right now.
I'm so sad.
I know. I'm not. What do you mean?
We were on a 2-minute flyer, and I was on the second lap, so the tires still had some speed left in them. And then we caught that Miata. And at that point, I was like, well, I don't want to just kill the tires. So went on a cool down, let everyone pass, got out of the way, made some space, and then went on another flyer, and that's where the GR86 went off in Riverside. Yep. And after that, the tires were just toast.
I just noticed in this last one, it was like 9972 GT3, 992 GTRS, you know, M4, Cup car, you know, like all these crazy cars, and our little guy with the mirror holding it down and running a great time.
So 201's not bad, especially since we know it has a 2-minute in it with the right conditions and clear track. You know, drive it to work, everyday man car is ticking all the boxes, and I guess that means we need the everyday man to take it for a spin.